Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the Atlantic Ocean. So now all we have to do is find the sailboat, move aboard, sail down to Florida, get our ASA classes done. Oh, that water's chilly. It's been 85, 90 degrees all day today. This cold water actually feels...
up to my hoo-ha.
That actually feels really good right now. But, yeah. Woohoo! This is kind of a beautiful place. We're in Maine right now. I think it's called Short Beach. Oh, that's some beautiful cliffs. I want to thank you guys all for watching. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. And if you want to keep everything going, feel free to be a patron. That would be cool. Captain Jack out.